sound of chanting the Tamajak has now become part of the Chan's family, where the head of the family understands the importance of chanting the Tamajak regularly. It is the reason why the children often join in whenever the parents are chanting.
Center start to promoting chanting Tamachaka Pawasutta in July. So I start from there. Since then, I have a group of friends that just asking me to join and start chanting in the center every Friday. So I just start chanting in center first. So only start this year, last year December, that I'm come back from the Panawat. Then we start chanting every day. Chanting center, I will bring my husband along. So, but children is studying, so they are not chanting at night. So only in the morning when I try to get them to involve. So far, initially only Yongshan is joining me to chant early in the morning. So since a few weeks back, Yongjie is joining me to start chanting every morning.
The sound of daily chanting improves the children's concentration, ready wits, and self-responsibility. They make their beds every morning, and every week, Yong-san volunteers to clean the toilets at the Dhammagaya Center Singapore, as well as taking part in other wholesome activities.
I feel happy to help the whole center so they can have a clean toilet to use. I'll feel more happier. When I chant Dhammacakka Pawatana Sutta, I will always feel energetic, and then for me the world will feel slower and make me clearer so that I can think faster.
So my elder son, Yun-san, start chanting with my wife. So the difference I see in him is he's more calm. He can focus more on his work. He's not so panicky. Last time he used to be a panic and get frustrated very fast. Now I can see that he can sit down properly and then do his work. So I feel that this is a good thing. The chanting is good.
New season coming up.
Morning is done, then is
The performance of wholesome deeds improves the family relationship. The children's development is being enriched by the family activities, which include the chanting together of the Dhammacakka Pawatana Sutta.
Singapore life is too stressful for the people here. So to chant Dhammacakka Pawatana Sutta is benefit us to relieve the stress. Like my son can release stress from schoolwork, homework, and myself too from work, because too stressful, a lot of things that we need to handle during the day.
After you chanting the Dhammacakka, everybody seems to calm down. So your daily life will improve. So you got less quarrel with your wife, less friction. You can talk more properly. So we need to calm down. We can calm down quite fast, and then the children is more attentive, and then they listen to you more. So in this way, your family will in the whole will get better. So it's good to chant, to get together and chant, especially the whole family know how to chant.
The Chan family improves the quality of their lives with the help of the Lord Buddha's teaching, which helped them to grow as a family. The daily chanting of the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta keeps the practitioners, the people around them, and everyone in the family happy.